Hey there. I want to do a quick review on these Sheffield ammo boxes. I actually bought 8 of these, 2 pinks, 2 blacks, 2 reds, and then 2 other colors I can't remember right now. So I wanted to show what the capacity is on these. And this one specifically, these are 45 rounds, and that is 500 rounds in that box. So not too bad at all. If you're looking to store maybe in boxes themselves, this is 5.56 rounds. So that is, I don't even know how many rounds, probably another 500 rounds in there. I don't know how many boxes. So it holds quite a bit. Really happy with them. They're made durable, so they're not like the flimsy. The latch is super easy to use. Put that on there like that, snap it down, done. It seals up nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about moisture getting in there. Really like these things. Again, just for reference, there's my hand. So it's deep, just wide enough to put plenty of bullets in, boxes, whatever. So if you're looking to buy one of these, in my personal opinion, I really like them. I think they're durable. They keep moisture out, so I love them. I love them. So I'm going to recommend these if you're looking to buy, or if you're on the fence. Hopefully this has helped out. So thanks for watching. We'll see ya.